easy, but it's not impossible as well. Let's go down to Namrata now and bring on these two teams on the mat. On the right, there will be Naveen Sharma on the right corner. And yeah, two strong corners, but Ankit Rana, Sahil Jagbir, and Ankit Sehwara. Right, these are the Raiders who actually created a lot of trouble to the opponent defenders yesterday as well. And yeah, Pankaj Jorawar and Kuldeep will be there in the covers, Mohit Kuldeep. But Ashish Balwan, Amit Phogat, Ajay Dochak, Sunny Lal, and Harsh Paramjeet will be there on the substitution lines along with their coach.
गुड मॉर्निंग नवीन, आई होप यू आर डूइंग वेल। अरावली एरोज की टीम है हमारे पास और देखिए उनके जो लोगो है बहुत सारे तीर है, तो उनमें से कौन कौन तीर है सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट वहां पे सेंटर में रहेंगे किशोर जाट, राइट कवर और लेफ्ट कवर की जोड़ी पे राहुल चौधरी और नवदीप सिंह नजर आ रहे हैं। राइट इन पे विष्णु शर्मा, लेफ्ट इन पे मोनू कुमार, कॉर्नर्स में चेतन चौधरी दाहिने तरफ और बाई तरफ उनका साथ देंगे दीपक चौधरी, अनुज यादव, दीपक गहलोत, अंकित जाट, रिचपाल जाट और विष्णु साहू। ये 5 खिलाड़ी बेंच पे अभी है। देखते किस तरफ गिरता है। अरावली एरोज ने टॉस जीता है नवीन।
And they are not competing with each other. They are very nicely contemplating, saying that yes, we will do it for the team. 400 rate point. Oh, that's probably the quickest touch point that I have seen in this edition 1. Within the first 10 seconds, he attacks Rahul Narayan Chaudhary. As a left raider, if you're attacking the right cover, that is some skill. That is some brilliant skill. He's gone in so deep. Look at that. So, one team, you need to contemplate with each other, trying to hold hands with each other very nicely. And also compliment each other, isn't it?
Absolutely.
Yeah.
Absolutely. Complimenting is very important. आपको एंड बनना है, जैसे होना चाहिए नवीन एंड नवनीत, और ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि नवीन और नवनीत, राइट?
Yeah. Nice. Nice. Oh yeah, well said. Yeah, because to tackle the Aussies, you need punt generally, but also taking a blow on the left bicep, bruised left bicep, and still batting, that takes something doing. As once again, see, this is what I said. Chetan Chaudhary as a captain is yet to get to that maturity level where he can be trusted. Running dash attempted, and Ankit Rana sees him coming from a fair distance, creates a gap and escapes through the gap. Perfect. This doesn't surprise me.
Yeah. Oh, किशोर जाट एक पैर पे मुझे लगा थोड़ी देर के लिए नवीन की हम कबड्डी नहीं खेल रहे थे, हम कमेंट्री यहाँ कर रहे थे लंगड़ी कूद की। आपने लंगड़ी कूद खेला है? देखिए, ये देखिए।
I haven't played it. I haven't played it, but yes, I know strong ankle hold from Rahul Kalirwana. Yeah, it's that boxes that you need to keep hopping and going in, right? That's what it is. And यहाँ पर
3 points.
I think he's got a multiple point rate. Ankit Rana, left leg, he is limping after the raid, but that's the first super raid of the match. Oh, that's not looking good. That's not looking good. Ankit Rana, yeah, the jump was brilliant on top of Deepak Chaudhary. His left leg just got caught with the ankles. India won. Kabaddi Kamal moment. Then the turn. Then the escape was brilliant. The other defenders came in and probably just had a little more weight on that bandaged left leg.
So the left was not right this time. Ankit Kumar Rana.
Yeah,
power number की jersey.
Generally lefts are not always right.
Big statement.
Ankit Rana will not struggle. He will not struggle.
Super tackle. Aravali Arrows.
Yeah, good super tackle.
Raider, second match.
Right. Once again, Ankit Rana has been attacked in a very crucial situation of the match. Aravali Arrows trying a comeback. Chetan Chau. But their discussion was definitely not about dosa or idli. I was just making it up. It was definitely about the touch and getting into the lobby. Ankit Sehwara. Wow, look at that escaping skills. Navpreet can be escaped. but not Chetan Chowdhury.
Out.
Navneet, nice to see Chetan Chowdhury switching flanks. There, from the
Red.
right corner, he wanted to go in, switch up a little. Idea was right, execution again a problem.
यह आप जब भी कबड्डी के हर एक रेड में एक एग्जीक्यूशन राइट होता है और एक एग्जीक्यूशन रॉन्ग होता है। वहां पर देखिए
Out.
रेडर की एग्जीक्यूशन राइट हो गई, पर यहाँ पर राहुल का जो एग्जीक्यूशन था बहुत ही एडवांस टैकल, इसकी जरूरत नहीं थी। अक्सर हम कहते हैं
If they have a little luck going in their favor, but no, they decide against it. Ankit Sehwara now with 361 rate points for his name. He is having a big responsibility to once again revive his guru, but no, even the
Bonus
Shishya
points,
has
20
been
points,
backed
Spartans. Rated out. 1 plus 2, 3 points. Aravalli Arrows. All out.
and
20
the all out
points,
here
Spartans.
for the very first time for the Sponipat Spartans, courtesy Vishnu Sharma super raid Navneet. And I'll tell you what, 3 times the Aravali Arrows have inflicted the super tackle on Ankit Rana. And Aravali Arrows become the team who has inflicted 100. You don't know what's going to happen the next moment. So why predict and waste the surprise, isn't it?
टैकल देखने को मिला है।
Yeah. And also 52 points I was talking about. 2 matches back to back. We've seen 52 points scored in first half.
पीछे बैकग्राउंड में इंडिया 1 स्पॉन्सर हमें दिखा रहे थे, जितने तेजी से आप पैसे निकाल सकते हो उतने तेजी से यहाँ पे मध्य रेखा को क्रॉस किया
2
नवीन
points.
शर्मा ने।
Sonipat Spartans. Jersey number 8 and 5.
This
out.
is completely a schoolboy error here from Aravali Arrows. You've got Naveen Sharma, defender coming in. Chetan Chowdhury, what
Jersey
is
number
the
10.
hurry?
Jersey number 10.
Why do you have to believe that you have a train to catch? No. Look at this. Gautam Murugan is in the lineup, and it's another all-out that Aravali Arrows will be facing in. And Harish Kamachi, who was struggling with a little bit of injuries, who
1
was
plus 2, 3
down.
points. Sonipat Spartans. All out. Aravalli
He's the
Arrows.
captain of Palni Tuskers. That shows Ilavarasan as a coach
All in.
who can always trust his captains.
Jersey number 12.
तमिलनाडु से आते हुए क्या खूबसूरत कहानी नटराजन की भी रही है, और वैसे ही खूबसूरत कहानी सोनीपत स्पार्टन्स पिछले लगभग 5 मिनट में इस तरीके का खेल दिखाया है, वो कहानी को कंटिन्यू किया है। और जैसा कि कोच कह रहे, ओहो
Spartans.
मुझे खड़ी कर दी।
Yeah, the Hudda cam working well. Definitely working well. Yeah, put it out there. We need such characters. We need such stories coming in. Left cover. Sahil Jagbir, not Rahul. Correction. Yeah, it was Sahil Jagbir. Yeah, it is coming soon on the Yuva Kabaddi Series website. Guru Niti episodes. So much so, the
1 point.
coaches have spoken
Aravalli Arrows.
all the inside details heavily on their defense.
Match over.
So, and a handlebar.
Oh yeah, it's a long back, 12 years back picture.